Herbs? Herbs? No matter how you say it, herbs are the key to making food delicious. The je ne sais quoi of almost every dish you've ever had. So of course we want to buy them. We want to use them. But dang it, why do they go bad before you have the chance to use the whole bunch? Here are some simple ways to save your herbs, money, and sanity. 1. Make an herb oil. Blanch and shock herbs and pat very dry. Combine with a neutrally flavored oil in a blender and blend until very finely chopped. Strain through a cheesecloth and store in the fridge. Drizzle over soups, salads, or finished dishes. 2. Make a pesto. Combine herbs, nuts or seeds, and oil in a food processor. Process until finely chopped and drizzleable. Basil is the most common herb for this, but truly any herb works. 3. Make a simple syrup. Combine herb, sugar, and water in a small saucepan and bring to a simmer to dissolve the sugar. Let cool completely and strain out the herbs. Use in iced tea, cocktails, or desserts. 4. Freeze them. Place whole leaves in an ice cube tray and fill the tray with oil. Freeze and use each as needed, where oil is welcome, of course. No matter if you grow them or buy them, these tips will help you get the most out of your herbs. Herbalicious!